Bars in the program can be more precisely defined by, amongst other things, using relative coordinates. It means that having a defined bar start point, we can define the bar endpoint by providing its location relative to the start point. We select a fixed bar and indicate any start point. We lock drawing the bar by clicking the right mouse button. In the Geometry tab of the dx, dy, and the dz fields, we specify the relative position of the endpoint. We enter the values in the individual fields dx0 div equals 8. After entering the value, select Enter on the keyboard. A bar has been inserted in the work area. Lock the bar drawing again by clicking the right mouse button. Enter values in the fields dx11, dz2, and press the Enter key. Lock the bar drawing again by clicking the right mouse button. Enter values in the field dx1, dz-2, and press the Enter key. Lock the bar drawing again by clicking the right mouse button. Enter values in the fields dx0, dz-8, and press the Enter key. In summary, using relative coordinates, we've created a simple frame consisting of 4 bars.